15 Best Work-from-Home Jobs in 2022. The way that people work is quickly evolving as technology makes it easier for us to work wherever we like. As a result, more and more people are taking advantage of work-from-home job opportunities. Working from home allows workers to avoid long commutes, spend more time with family, and create their own schedule. 1. Web developer. Average annual salary, $59,343. Web developers design and build websites. While many web developers work for marketing companies or large organizations that have multiple websites, web developers can also work on a freelance basis as their services are in high demand. Web development is not an entry-level job as you need experience and training in order to complete projects to a satisfactory level. However, it is one of the higher-paying work-from-home job opportunities. 2. Graphic designer. Average annual salary, $45,060. Graphic designers create logos, custom images, landing pages, and more. Because graphic designers do most of their work alone using design software, their work is well suited to a home office environment. Many graphic designers pick up contracts on sites like Upwork, though there are many companies that hire full-time graphic designers for their in-house projects. 3. Customer service representative. Average annual salary, $38,604. Customer service representatives typically answer phone calls from customers and respond to email inquiries. Customer service departments may need their representatives to do everything from process returns to troubleshoot problems for customers. Since most customer service jobs only require a phone line and CRM software, many companies allow their customer service reps to work from home. While more technical customer service jobs may come with advanced requirements, many provide paid training and are available to entry-level candidates. 4. Virtual assistant. Average annual salary, $40,974. Virtual assistants schedule meetings, maintain contact lists, respond to emails, and more. As the job title suggests, virtual assistants do their work remotely using online scheduling tools. Businesses that don't have a physical storefront can make use of virtual assistants as personal support to an executive or as an administrative aid to an entire team. This is another job that can be done from home on either a freelance or a full-time basis. 5. Social media manager. Average annual salary, $50,661. Social media managers are in charge of engaging with a business's customers through social media channels like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Social media managers help to create marketing campaigns and build a bigger brand following so that a business can extend its influence. Social media managers also use reporting tools to measure their success and identify the most effective points of engagement with their followers. Because so much product buying is socially driven in today's online world, social media management is an important role in almost any industry. Although social media managers typically have to do a lot of collaboration with the rest of their marketing team, it is still a job that can easily be done from home using online meeting tools. 6. Content writer. Average annual salary, $45,377. Content writers create thoroughly researched niche content for online publications. Many content writers work as freelancers so that they can maintain contracts for a variety of companies, but others work full-time for a single organization. Content writers are often allowed to work from home because most of their research and writing is done alone anyway. People who have strong writing skills and a good working knowledge of a particular industry are well suited to working from home as a content writer. 7. Medical transcriptionist. Average annual salary, $32,673. Doctors and other healthcare professionals often dictate their notes to save time while they are working in a clinical setting. However, all of these notes need to be recorded in writing to maintain accurate patient records. That's where medical transcriptionists come in. Medical transcriptionists listen to dictations and type them up in reports. In order to do this, transcriptions are usually required to have some knowledge of medical terminology and a minimum typing speed of at least 40 words per minute. Obviously, this job requires concentration, and must be done alone, so it is perfect for a home office. 8. Bookkeeper. Average annual salary, $42,940. Bookkeepers keep track of business income, expenses, and other financial activity so that at the end of each year businesses have accurate and detailed financial records. Bookkeepers may also run payroll and manage accounts receivable and accounts payable. A bookkeeper may work full-time for a single organization or for multiple small businesses at the same time. Bookkeepers do not need to have a full accounting certification, but they are generally required to have an associate's degree in either accounting or business administration. 9. Data entry clerk. Average annual salary, $33,562. Data entry clerks gather data from a variety of sources and enter it into a database. The job requires attention to detail and basic knowledge of databases and possibly other online tools, but it is generally an entry-level position. Many data entry clerks work from home because they can use their computer and an internet connection to access all of the information that they need. 10. Travel agent. Average annual salary, $39,820. Even though many travelers now use online booking sites to book their trips themselves, travel agents are still used by travelers with multiple destinations and corporations that need to book business travel frequently. Travelers who are looking for hotel and flight package deals may also turn to travel agents for help. Travel agents communicate by phone and email with their customers so they can easily work out of a home office. Even major travel agencies like American Express Global Business Travel hire work-from-home travel agents. Some background in the travel industry is typically required. 11. Online tutor. Average annual salary, $36,842. Online tutors help students using video conferencing tools to deliver lesson plans, assessments, and educational resources. Typically, an online tutor has expertise in a subject or set of subjects, making it worthwhile for students to pay them for their time. Most tutors are paid by the hour. Some online tutors work as freelancers, while others find work using online tutoring platforms like Schooly or TutorMe. 12. Virtual recruiter. Average annual salary, $50,152. A virtual recruiter uses social networking tools like LinkedIn to connect with talented individuals and recruit candidates for job opportunities within an organization. Rather than meeting with people in person, virtual recruiters use video calls, email, and other online communication tools to notify qualified candidates about new opportunities. Large companies that hire frequently may have a full-time virtual recruiter who can approach candidates with an offer or manage applications as they come in. Virtual recruiters often conduct job interviews over the phone. 13. Grant writer. Average annual salary, $48,667. Grant writers occupy a special niche in the world of paid writing jobs. The main responsibility of a grant writer is to identify and apply for grants that are relevant to the organization that they are working for. Nonprofits often hire grant writers to boost their funding efforts. Since one of the most challenging aspects of qualifying for a grant is completing the proposal, which often includes an essay-length response, it makes sense to have a professional writer do that job. The nature of the job also makes it very well suited to working from home. 14. Animator. Average annual salary, $55,170. Animators create animated clips for web videos, commercials, educational material, video games, and more. Animation is a complex job that requires years of experience and an in-depth understanding of production processes. However, since all animation tools are computer-based, animators can work from the comfort of their own homes for studios or for their own clients and potentially earn a hefty annual salary. Animators are typically either 2D or 3D specialists, but some do both, because there are so many different types of animation and so many levels of skill. Pay for animation jobs can vary widely. 15. Translator. Average annual salary, $48,916. Translators take audio or read text in one language and translate it into another language. To be a translator, a person needs to have mastery of not just one language, but two. Without advanced language skills in both languages, a person cannot translate information without missing or changing the original meaning. Even though there are online tools like Google Translate that can translate text for you, they are far from perfect, and they are no match for a human translator. Translators are even needed, in some cases, to translate speech in online meetings between people in different countries. Many translators are able to work from home and stay connected with their employers via email and video conferencing software. Where to find work-from-home jobs? There are a number of job boards that specialize in advertising work-from-home job opportunities, including We Work Remotely, Working Nomads, Jobspresso, FlexJobs, Remote.co, Nodesk, AngelList, RemoteOK, Remotive. Let's work remotely. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.